Yahuah, open up my eyes to the quiet places where the hidden stories arise. Let me see the tears no one else can see, the silent prayers beneath the tallest tree. Give me ears for every whispered cry, every burden carried with no reason why. Make my heart gentle, make my spirit true, so every line I write points back to you. Teach me to write what is worth remembering, words that heal, words that keep hope living. Songs for the weary when the night feels long, strength for the faithful to keep holding on. Call every wanderer back to your way. Shine through these melodies day after day. If one heart turns because of what I sing, then teach me to write what is worth remembering. Guard me from pride and empty praise, from chasing applause or passing fame. Give me wisdom wrapped in humility, compassion flowing through every melody. Let truth be louder than my name, let your purpose be my only aim. May every chorus, every verse I bring carry the light of the eternal King. When I have nothing left to say, speak through me anyway. When I cannot find the rhyme, let your spirit shape each line. May these songs outlive my voice, leading souls to make the better choice. Not for glory, not for gain, only that your name remains. Teach me to write what is worth remembering, words that heal, words forever living. Hope for the broken, peace for the weak, truth for every soul that dares to seek. Let every melody lift up your name, never seeking fortune, never seeking fame. This is the prayer my heart will always sing. Teach me to write what is worth remembering. Help me see what others overlook. Help me hear what others ignore. May every song become an offering, and may I always write what is worth remembering.